Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll be replacing the blade on this Flymo UltraGlide lawnmower. If you've noticed that your lawnmower no longer cuts the grass the way it used to, then it could be that the blade has become worn and can no longer be used, so will need to be replaced. Now, safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. To identify the correct blade for your Flymo lawnmower, make sure you get the model number and the product number from the rating plate, which is located here at the back of the lawnmower. Look on the eSpares website for the correct part. Next, I'm going to remove the grass box and put it to one side, and then tip the lawnmower itself onto its side so I can access the blade. To remove the blade, you'll need to grab yourself a thick pair of gloves or a towel or cloth in order that you can grip the blade whilst you undo it with a socket set. Now, this particular nut on this lawnmower is a 13mm nut. Here we have our new blade, and thankfully it has an instruction on the left hand side, this side to grass, which obviously tells you which way to fit the blade. I can now reattach it to the lawnmower. Now, do make sure that the nut is on nice and tight so the blade doesn't come off. I can now put the lawnmower back the right way up, refit the grass box, and there we have it, one new blade fitted to this Flymo UltraGlide lawnmower. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.